treatment for Uma today is Ananda facial. Ananda facial technique is taught by shaman, a woman from Mexico. This woman does not age and then the skin is just very luminous. Ananda facial means divine bliss, which is also consists with opening the throat chakra as well as the third eye. It's very beautiful facial for Uma.
I'm at the Reef Club, which is the perfect spot to savor classic Italian fare featuring fresh seafoods, pizzas and grilled meats. Guests can dine al fresco on the oceanside deck or in the thatched roof pavilion. A freestanding bar is ideal for sundowners. Features a daily antipasti lunch platter. I'm about to enjoy my special 4-course meal. So, from tuna to pasta and a special chocolate hazelnut dessert. Sounds like this meal is going to be a delight for my taste buds. Bon appetit! Located away from the buzz of the main pool area right at the southern end of the island, the Reef Club is the resort's classical Italian fine dining restaurant. Seated in this gazebo by the beach, I enjoyed a delicious 4-course meal and savored every bit of it. The Maldives is blessed with some of the best surfing conditions in the world. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, the progressive certification and instructional program helps you attain your surfing goals. The combination of near-perfect Maldivian waves and a video analysis will assist you with anything from jump up to tube riding skills. So, Surfs Up Dubai! Every accomplishment starts with a decision to try. So after being cajoled and coaxed thanks to my trainer Navi, I finally mustered up the guts to try surfing for the first time, I should add. And you know what? It's not as easy as it looks. There's nothing quite like experiencing a sunset and sipping a cocktail against the backdrop of the stunning Maldivian sunset here at the Sunset Lounge is one of those things you really need to experience. Even if you are by yourself, just soak in the solitude and enjoy it. It is indeed a very special moment. Dinner at Barabaru is a memorable affair. You can choose to dine in the restaurant's brightly colored interiors, on the spectacular deck above the waters, or in a private dining gazebo. The open kitchen features an open tandoori bar where you can watch as the chef prepare fine Indian cuisine. The food is complemented by a special beverage list chosen to suit the tropics. With the main focus on fine Indian cuisine, Barabaru delivers a diverse selection of fresh local seafood, my favorite rice biryanis and flavorful Indian specialities. A children's menu is available and the chefs actually prepare children's portion of any dish as requested. I'm going to go right in and I hope chef has prepared my favorite biryani. The aesthetically designed Barabaru brings the grandeur of our home country, India, right here at Kudahura. The use of the large timber columns, rich fabrics and light torches enhance the ambience and transforms this 25-meter outdoor deck, which by the way is built entirely over the sea. Well, I really enjoyed my time here at the Four Seasons Resort Maldives at the Kula Hora. And after discovering a paradise hideaway where luxurious seclusion meets wild natural beauty, it's time to explore the Indian Ocean in the Four Seasons Explorer. See you after a short break. Come back after the break to the 39-meter, 3-deck super luxury catamaran, the Four Seasons Explorer.